Which of the following statements is correct regarding the NAC quarantine feature? Option A. With NAC quarantine, files can be quarantined not only as a result of antivirus scanning, but also for other forms of content inspection such as IPS and DLP. Option B. NAC quarantine does a client check on workstations before they are permitted to have administrative access to FortiGate. Option C. NAC quarantine allows administrators to isolate clients whose network activity poses a security risk. Option D. If you chose the quarantine action, you must decide whether the quarantine type is NAC quarantine or file quarantine. The correct answer is option C. Which part of an email message exchange is not inspected by the POP and IMAP proxies? Option A. TCP connection. Option B. File attachments. Option C. Message headers. Option D. Message body. The correct answer is option A. Both the FortiGate and FortiAnalyzer units can notify administrators when certain alert conditions are met. Considering this, which of the following statements is not correct? Option A. On a FortiGate device, the alert condition is based either on the severity level or on the log type, but not on a combination of the two. Option B. On a FortiAnalyzer device, the alert condition is based either on the severity level or on the log type, but not on a combination of the two. Option C. Only a FortiAnalyzer device can send the alert notification in the form of a syslog message. Option D. Both the FortiGate and FortiAnalyzer devices can send alert notifications in the form of an email alert. The correct answer is option B. In order to load share traffic using multiple static routes, the routes must be configured with Option A. The same distance and same priority. Option B. The same distance and the same weight. Option C. The same distance but each of them must be assigned a unique priority. Option D. A distance equal to its desired weight for ECMP but all must have the same priority. The correct answer is option A.